Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is July 9th, and they are good up until Saturday, July 15th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so first off, on this account, I was working with a digital booster, get $7 when you spend $25, and then I also paired that with a paper booster, get $10 when you spend $40. So first up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 boxes of the Lucky Charms cereal, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $1.99. I purchased 2, so $1.99 times 2 is $3.98. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $3.98 minus that $1 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $2.98. Then if you check your IBOTTA account, IBOTTA does have a rebate for 75 cents back. The limit is, I think, 5. But keep in mind that all accounts are different. So on my account, I specifically had a 75-cent rebate for the Lucky Charms cereal. You may have more or less. So 75 cents back on both boxes, so that's a total of $1.50. So $2.98 minus the $1.50 that I received from Ibotta, that brought my total down to just $1.48 for both boxes, or it makes each one just 74 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So I went ahead and I picked up 2 Oral-B toothbrushes at $3 each, so that brought my total to $6. I used a $2 off of 2 Oral-B toothbrushes digital coupon. So $6 minus that $2 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $4. And then I did receive back my $4 registry reward for purchasing 2, making those completely free. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Maybelline eye makeup removers, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $5.79, and they are buy one get one 50% off. Now if you would like to do this deal online, they are about 30 cents cheaper online, but I just went ahead and went with the price in the store. So $5.79 for one, and the second one was half off at $2.89. So $5.79 plus $2.89 is $8.68. We do have an only for you coupon on the Walgreens app, and it is an $8 digital coupon. So I used that coupon, so $8.68 minus the $8 digital coupon, that brought my total down to just 68 cents for both, or it made each one 34 cents. So this is a really good deal to do, especially if you are brand loyal to Maybelline. This is a really good deal to do. Also keep in mind that not all accounts will get that $8 digital coupon, but just check your accounts and see. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of the Dawn dish soap, and these are the 38 ounce. So these are priced at Walgreens for $5.89. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $5 registry reward. And then also Dawn is a part of the P&G deal where when you spend 20, you will receive back a $5 registry reward as well. So I purchased 4 at $5.89, and that brought my total to $23.56. There is a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $23.56 minus that $1 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $22.56. I did receive back my $5 registry reward for purchasing 4 of those. And then I also received back my $5 registry reward for spending 20 on select P&G. So that brought my total down to $12.56 for all 4, or it makes each one $3.14. But of course, you already know that I did not pay that because I used digital spin booster and a paper spin booster. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there are both of my Maybellines, one at $5.79, the second one half off at $2.89. Two Dawn dish soap at $5.89, so $11.78. Another two at $5.89, so $11.78. Both of my General Mills cereal at $1.99, so $3.98. My Oral-B toothbrushes at $3 each, so $6 total. There is my paper spin booster, get $10 when you spend $40. I also used 4 register rewards in this transaction. I used one $4 register reward and 3 $5 register rewards, totaling $19, just so that I can have a lower out of pocket. And then there is my $8 digital coupon for the Maybelline, $2 digital coupon for the Oral-B, $1 digital for the Dawn, and $1 digital for the Lucky Charms. So my subtotal came out to be $11.22, but of course I have to add back in those $19 in register rewards that I used. So $11.22 plus the $19 in register rewards that I used. My actual total came out to be $30.22. You can't see it on this receipt, but I will pop it up on the screen. I did receive back a total of $17.94 in Walgreens cash rewards. Now, of that $17.94, $7 came from my digital spin booster, get $7 when you spend $25. $10 of that came from my paper spin booster, get $10 when you spend $40, and the extra 74 cents came from the Walgreens everyday points. So $30.22 minus that $17.94 that I received back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my grand total down to just $12.28. But don't forget, I did get back my $14 in register rewards. I got back the $5 for spending $20 on select P&G, $5 for buying 4 Dawn, and $4 for buying 2 Oral-B. So $12.28 minus the $14 in register rewards that I received, that made this transaction completely free, plus a $1.72 moneymaker. But I went ahead and I submitted my receipt over to IBOTTA, and I did get back 75 cents times 2 for both of my boxes of Lucky Charms cereal, which is $1.50. So that made my transaction completely free, plus a $3.22 moneymaker. But not only that, I went ahead and I submitted my receipt over on Fetch Rewards, and I did receive back a total of 565 points, which is 56 cents. So of course I added that into my transaction as well, and I think I received that for the Lucky Charms cereal. So all in all, my transaction ended up being completely free, plus a $3.78 moneymaker. So this was a really good transaction for me, you guys. I have absolutely no complaints. All of my register rewards printed, all of my digital coupons came off, no issues at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what deals you guys are going after this week. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that link down in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive back 2,000 points, which is $2. Same thing for IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that link down in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you all in my next video.